One of the strongest hurricanes to make landfall in the state of Louisiana, happening on the 16th anniversary of Hurricane Katrina. Of course, now we're talking about Hurricane Ida coming in as a major hurricane, devastating portions of Louisiana and the Mississippi Gulf Coast and inland as well.
And Brittany is...
I'm doing the sky dance.
Okay. We heard an explosion. We just don't know what it was because I didn't have it on camera.
number one rules of having a hurricane, you go outside and record it.
Yeah, we are the next Jim Cantori. We're walking down to the end of our road, whatever you want to call it.
Driveway.
Well, yeah, I guess.
Technically, it's the driveway.
Just to check the other people's out. See what's
Okay,
going
it's starting
on.
to rain.
Okay, it's raining. Run, whole ass. I don't want to get my phone wet. I hope you know this is going on video, on Facebook, on YouTube.
Oh my God!
It started raining. What are you doing on this hurricane day?
Just a PG comment.
No, you can have it however you want. No, yes it is.
I'm relaxating.
Alright, y'all hear that? This is at, what time is it, y'all?
I don't know. I don't know how it's going.
Here. On my arm.
8:48.
8:48 p.m. It's too dark to see anything. But the weather is actually bad. It's gotten bad now. We can't see nothing, but we can feel it.